Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your PS4 controller to your PC for Fortnite. First, you have two main options for connecting your controller, either via a USB cable or wirelessly through Bluetooth. For a wired connection, simply plug one end of the USB cable into your controller and the other into an available USB port on your computer. If you prefer wireless, ensure your PC has Bluetooth enabled and is discoverable for pairing. Next, to get the best experience, we recommend using DS4 Windows. This free software allows your PS4 controller to be recognized as an Xbox 360 controller by your PC, which greatly improves compatibility with many games, including Fortnite. After downloading and installing it from the official website, you can open DS4 Windows to customize button layouts, adjust sensitivity, and even set up light bar colors for a personalized touch. Once your controller is connected and DS4 Windows is running, launch Fortnite. Head into the Game Settings menu, then navigate to the Controller Options tab. Here, you can fine-tune various settings like building sensitivity, aiming sensitivity, and dead zones to match your playstyle perfectly. Experiment with different configurations to find what feels most comfortable and gives you the competitive edge in your matches. Finally, a few tips for a smooth experience. Always ensure your PC's drivers and DS4 Windows are up to date. If you encounter any issues, try restarting DS4 Windows or even your computer. For competitive play, a wired connection often provides the most reliable and lowest latency experience. Also, remember to keep your controller charged, especially if you're playing wirelessly, to avoid interruptions during intense battles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.